Instead of repainting our sink for the second time around, I decided to buy a new sink and a new faucet, and this is our installation video. As for the faucet, I wanted something that was new, different, modern, and eye-catching. I didn't really care for any of the ones from Home Depot or Lowe's, so I came across this one on Amazon, and I actually really love it. It comes in different finishes, and I chose the shiny chrome. This is not a sponsored video. We purchased the faucet and the sink ourselves. Okay, it's out, and look how yellow the original sink is. In order to remove the old sink, you have to cut out the side splash first.
This is how we do it now.
Okay, it's off.
What's wrong?
And here we are removing the old pipe. You don't have to, but we will. Since I'm not going to attach the old side of the sink because it's not an exact match, I'm gonna have to paint over that. And the first thing to do is, a lot of the paint was ripped off for the texture. I won't have any texture here, so I will apply some texture after. The first thing to do is file down any rough surfaces. Okay, I've sanded it down, and the next thing I'm going to use is patch and paint to fill it in. Now that I've patched the walls on both ends, I'm going to let it dry for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to sand it and paint over it. Nice. The paint was done last night. It looks all right. Honey, are you helping Papa? Oh, you're so beautiful. Step 2. Apply some silicone to the sink cabinet. Apply silicone. The instructions say to apply silicone to the corners, but our plumber came by later and he said to apply it all around the cabinet top and apply way more silicone than we did. And make sure the sink is level. I love our new cultured marble vanity top with the rectangular basin and the clean lines of the vanity. And I love this new LED faucet. It's so eye-catching, modern, and different.